is Hanifa Maulana Zahra with student number 0037, and now I want to talk to you all about my review novel. The title is Eleanor Oliphant is Completely Fine, and the writer is Jill Hanneman. The publication year 18th of May 2017, and the genre is psychological fiction. Okay, for the first character is Eleanor Oliphant. Eleanor Oliphant is a 29 years old who lives in isolation and face character. Her childhood trauma makes it hard to connect with others until she slowly changes after meet Raymond. Okay, for the next character is Raymond Gibbons. Raymond Gibbons is Eleanor friendly and easygoing sea worker. He becomes her first real friend and plays a key role in her healing process. Okay, for the next character is Mami. Mami is Eleanor's abusive and controlling mother. Her voice appears in weekly phone calls, but it turns out to be only in Eleanor's mind, part of her unresolved trauma. Okay, for the last character is Samitom. Samitom is an elderly man who collapses in the street and is helped by Eleanor and Raymond. This marked the beginning of Eleanor's first real human connection. Okay, for the next slide is setting and context. This novel is set in Glasgow, Scotland, in a modern contemporary time. The environment includes everyday urban life. Eleanor's flat, her office, cafe, hospital, and shopping areas. The social context focuses on mental health, loneliness, and the childhood trauma, and showing how someone can appear fine on the outside while struggling deeply inside. The story reflects the hidden emotional battles many people face in real life. Okay, for the next slide is storyline until the end. Okay, Eleanor Oliphant is a 29 years old woman who lives in complete solitude and follows a strict routine. She works at an office, barely speaks to anyone, and spends weekends alone with vodka. Every week, she receives a phone call from her abusive mother, which worsens her emotional state. Her life begins to change when she meets Raymond, a kind IT CEO worker. One day, they help an elderly man named Sammy who collapses in the street. This event brings Eleanor and Raymond closer, and Eleanor starts to experience genuine human connection for the first time. One day, Eleanor attends a concert and becomes secretly infatuated with a musician named Johnny Lemon. She creates an elaborate fantasy that they are destined to be together. This fantasy motivates her to start changing. She buys new clothes, goes to the salon, and tries to interact with the people. However, all of this is both an illusion. When reality shatters her fantasy, Eleanor falls into a deep mental crisis. She felt worthless, broken, and attempts self-harm. At this low point, Raymond becomes the one person who truly supports her. He helps Eleanor get back on her feet, not just physically but emotionally as well. Eleanor begins to face the painful memories she's avoided for years. She comes to terms with the fact that her mother is actually dead, and that the voice she's been hearing is a manifestation of unresolved trauma. After going through a serious emotional breakdown, including a suicide attempt, Eleanor begins attending therapy and slowly rebuilds her sense of self-worth. She also opens up to genuine friendship, especially with Raymond, who has supported her passionately and without judgment. By the end of the novel, Eleanor is not completely healed, but she has become stronger, more honest with herself, and no longer lives entirely in isolation. She learns that being completely fine doesn't mean being unbroken, but having the courage to face life as it is. Okay, for the next slide is review from the novel. Eleanor Oliphant is Completely Fine delivers a powerful story about loneliness, trauma, and emotional healing. The main character, Eleanor, is unique yet honest, funny yet heartbreaking. Her journey feels raw and touching, allowing readers to truly connect with her. What is interesting about this novel is how the author describe mental health issue in a subtle yet meaningful way. The plot is simple, but the emotion run deep. The relationship between Eleanor and Raymond grows slowly, not through romance but through genuine human kindness. Overall, this novel is both relevant and eye-opening, perfect for anyone looking to read a different kind of life story and painful, honest, but ultimately hopeful. Okay, for the last slide is lesson from the novel. The novel Eleanor Oliphant is capitally fine teach us that everyone carries invisible wounds. A person may seem fine from the outside, while silently struggling inside. Through Eleanor's story, we learn that healing takes time, support, and the courage to face the past. Even small human connection we can have hug impact on someone's life. The novel also reminds us the importance of empathy, mental health awareness, and not judging others based on how they appear. Okay, I think that's all from my review novel. Hopefully you enjoy and understand. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.